Imagine earning extra income without being a programmer, spending years learning a new skill, or investing thousands of dollars to start a business. Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work, create content, and solve problems. While AI won't magically make you rich overnight, it can help you work faster, offer valuable services, and build new income streams. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI side hustles that beginners can realistically start in 2026. I'll explain what they are, the skills you'll need, and practical ways to land your first clients. Let's get started. Side hustle number 1, AI content. Writing businesses constantly need blog posts, newsletters, product descriptions, email campaigns, and social media content. AI assistants like ChatGPT can help you create a solid first draft in minutes. But here's the important part. Clients aren't paying for AI. They're paying for someone who understands their business, edits the content, checks the facts, and makes it sound natural. For example, imagine a local restaurant that needs Facebook posts every week, or an online store with hundreds of products but no descriptions. That's a real problem you can solve. Build a small portfolio, write a few sample articles, and start contacting local businesses or offering your services on freelance marketplaces. Side hustle. Number 2, thumbnail design. Every YouTuber wants more clicks. A great thumbnail can dramatically increase views, and many creators are willing to pay for professional designs. You don't need expensive software. Canva makes it easy to create clean, eye-catching thumbnails in a short amount of time. Study successful YouTube channels to understand what works. Use bold text, strong contrast, expressive images, and simple layouts. As your skills improve, build a portfolio and offer thumbnail packages to YouTubers. Side hustle number 3, short-form video editing. Short-form videos dominate platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Many creators don't have time to edit every video themselves. That's where you come in. CapCut makes editing much easier with automatic captions, silence removal, transitions, and templates that speed up your workflow. Start by editing your own videos or offering free sample edits to build experience. Once you have a strong portfolio, you can begin charging clients. Side hustle number 4, AI presentation. Design businesses, students, and startups all need presentations. Instead of spending hours building slides from scratch, AI can help generate outlines, improve wording, and organize ideas. Your value comes from turning information into presentations that are clear, professional, and visually appealing. This service is useful for entrepreneurs, teachers, consultants, and sales teams. Side hustle number 5, AI social media management. Many small businesses struggle to post consistently on social media. You can help by creating content calendars, writing captions, planning posts, and scheduling content. AI speeds up brainstorming and drafting, but you should always review and personalize everything to match each client's brand. Many business owners would rather pay someone reliable than spend hours learning AI tools themselves. Side hustle number 6, AI chatbot. Setup. Many businesses want simple chatbots to answer common questions, collect leads, or assist customers outside business hours. Today's no-code chatbot platforms make this much easier than it used to be. If you learn the basics, you can offer chatbot setup services to restaurants, salons, online stores, gyms, and many other local businesses. Helping companies save time and improve customer service can lead to long-term clients. Lastly, artificial intelligence isn't a shortcut to success. It's a tool. The people who benefit the most are those who combine AI with creativity, good communication, and consistent effort. If you're just getting started, don't try all 7 ideas at once. Pick one that genuinely interests you. Spend the next 30 days learning it, building small projects, and improving your skills. Progress comes from taking action, not waiting for the perfect moment. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Carter Labs for practical AI tutorials, tools, and online business ideas designed to help you work smarter and build valuable skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.